Introducing FlareFusion, where style meets the teenage revolution. We are a clothing and accessories brand specifically designed for the trendy and outspoken teenager. Our mission is to provide high-quality, stylish merchandise that allows teenagers to express themselves and stand out from the crowd. At FlareFusion, we believe in empowering teenagers to embrace their individuality and create their unique fashion statements. In addition to our regular product line, we also offer customized merchandise for YouTubers, Twitch streamers, and other social media influencers. This means that whether you're a content creator looking to expand your brand or just a teenager with a unique sense of style, FlareFusion has got you covered. Our brand is all about embracing the teenage spirit and celebrating the power of self-expression. With our trendy designs and customizable options, FlareFusion is the ultimate destination for teenagers who want to make a statement with their fashion choices. Join the FlareFusion revolution and show the world the power of teenage style.